Office for those who are having a little difficulty turning in their work. So to turn in your work, first let's make some work. Go create something. And when green flag checked, the cat says, hello. Turn in your work to a studio. And hello, turn in your work to a studio. All right, so turn in an example. So there's two steps to turn in a project. You first have to share, otherwise I have to log into your account to see it, and I'm not going to do that. And then you need to add it to a studio, or else I can't find your project without logging into your account. So you're also going to have to add to studio. You're going to need to make sure you add it to the proper studio for the assignment. So down here, there's this button that says add to studio, and you have to select the one that it goes to. Let's say this is a recipe for turning things in, and notice there's a green check mark when you're done. You hit OK. If you go up here by your name, and we move my little talking head there, if you go to my stuff, there you can see here studios, and I can go over to recipe. I can see that I totally turned this in. I'm going to remove it though, because it doesn't need to be turned in there. And you may have noticed some other things when I went over to my stuff. Hey, look, over here it says unshare, so I could make things not shared anymore. But also it says I can add to, and it'll give me which space I want to add the thing to. So let's go back to the page and share this again. Share my stuff. I can hit add to recipe. Then I could go over to the studio recipe, and there it is again. Let's get rid of it again. There's a third way you can turn things in. If you go to the studio, you can hit add projects. All of the things that you have shared appear at the bottom. You could add any of them. You just hover over it and you click the thing that says add. And there it is in the studio, turned in again. Remember, you miss 100% of the points of the projects you don't turn in. So let's make sure to turn in our projects. All right, thank you.